I made $954 day trading the Nasdaq this morning. There are my trade receipts for our sell trade. And here's how I did it. Trade recap for Wednesday, May 28th. Not financial advice. Daily bias was a little tricky today with the bullish hourly fair value gap. Going into market open, my bias could have gone either way. At market open, price shoots up, sweeping out high time frame highs. Keep in mind, we are already in a weekly and daily bearish fair value gaps. We have a bearish bias. We enter after a reaction above the highs. Top of the daily and weekly gaps are too far for a stop loss, and there isn't anything else, so I just set a 35-point stop loss. I exited around equilibrium of the hourly bullish fair value gap. My original take profit was set for London lows, though. Sounds confusing to you? Learn all ICT confluences on our YouTube. Also, we post trades, educational content, market news, stock positions, etc. All in our free Discord. Link is in the bio of our TikTok and YouTube channel.